Button hover effects enhance user experience by providing visual feedback, guiding interactions, and improving accessibility. In this video, we will create an interactive button for a website wireframe using MockFlow's prototyping feature, all in under 2 minutes. Here, we've created a website wireframe in MockFlow's wireframing editor, and now we're using the Layers section to label the interactive component as a button arrow. Renaming components this way helps with easy identification and better organization within the wireframe. Now it's time to add the hover interaction effect. We'll use the mouse in action to show the button arrow component and the mouse out action to hide it. These interactions will trigger when the respective actions occur. To enhance the mouse out interaction, we've applied a slide in animation, allowing us to customize the initial position for a smoother effect. After adding the interaction, we'll hide the arrow until it's triggered. In view mode, as you can see, hovering over the Get Started button reveals the arrow, and it disappears when the mouse moves away. Stay tuned for more prototyping videos, and make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated.